Purple is definitely my color. Hi you guys! Today I will be doing a Pretty Little Thing haul. This is my first time ordering from there, and I ordered about 13 things and I think I spent around $400. They did have a code for 40% off, so that's what I used. And I did get a lot of different sizes because I heard their sizing is crazy, which it is. I think the stuff I got was really cute, but like half of it didn't fit me, and it's kind of my fault because I should know my size, but their sizes are pretty weird. So I mean, I'm gonna try the stuff on for you guys. Like, I just pretty much had to guess which tops would be tiny and which tops would be big, and I had like no idea. So I will show you guys the things that fit. First, I did get this top from there. It's just a lime green top. I personally don't think this one is my size. It's a US 2. And I did get the matching pants. This is adorable. It's a bright neon green, and it has cinching all down the legs, and it has cinching also right here. This red set, I bought the pieces separately. I think the pants were like 30 bucks, and the top was probably around 15. Don't worry, the links will be below. But these pants are pretty long. I am like 5'5", so you definitely have to wear heels with these because they're like dragging on the floor. The shirt has like a little slit detailing, and it's like bright red. So it has cinching here, which I think is like really cute. So this dress is really nice. I'm glad to say I know for a fact this is my size because the back zips up, which I like, and it has the little cowl neck. And it's a fun cheetah print, and it also has the little side slit. So this burgundy dress is in a similar style, same size, except it zips at the, it also zips at the back, I believe. It has a high slit, and the neck is like cowl, and it's that soft satiny material. But overall, I do like this, and the straps are adjustable. It's a under boob top. Excuse me, but I don't really have boobs, so I can't expect to have under boobs. But I thought I was. I purchased this top. It's still pretty cute. It's really tight. I probably could have went a size up, so if you're gonna purchase this, make sure you go a size up because it's like fitted, like really fitted. So I don't know why I ordered this dress, but I guess maybe it looked nice online, but I really don't like it. It just does nothing for me, really. Yeah, I will probably maybe send this back because it's really big in the boob area. So if you don't have boobs, I would make sure you like not get this dress. But it is a nice color. That's probably why I ordered it. But maybe next time. So this is my absolute favorite. I didn't buy it as a set, but I just typed in lilac and this shirt came up. Oh, I like these pants, and I had to find something to match the pants. So this shirt came up, and I absolutely love this shirt. It's a little tricky at first to put on, but I think the concept is like really cute. And not only do the pants fit very well, literally I have like this whole thing where there's like a gap right here, but like if you can see, there's absolutely no gap whatsoever, so that is great. And I probably would need to wear heels with these pants too because they're kind of long, but this bodysuit comes in all different colors, and I think it fits very well. It's like spandex material. So this is definitely my favorite outfit of all of them. Then there's this bodysuit. I love this bodysuit. It is so cute. I just hope like when I wash it, this doesn't rust because it is like, it looks like it's supposed to be like gold or whatever, but it buttons at the crotch, and it's this soft material. Let me see. Yeah, so basically it's this soft material, polyester or rayon or whatever, and it's pretty cute. I got it in a size US 0, so I will be keeping this because I think it's like very nice to wear with like jeans or like a skirt or pretty much anything. You guys are probably like, out of all the things she picked that, well, I had no idea like it was gonna look like this. It looked cute on the website, but I guess that's how everything on there is. It looks cute, and when you get it, you're like, I don't know. I don't know if I like this. It's nice and tight because it has the zip sides, but I thought it would be like lime green. This is like not really lime green, but I like the split here. I just don't know if I'm feeling the pockets because these are pockets. I like the v-neck, but yeah, just let me know what you guys think. It's cute, but for me, I'm not sure.